analyze. Design.
Certain requirement due to the excessive focus on the technology, and we have providing a medium for discussion using less technical means. So this is process, data, and object modeling. Now in process modeling, this the first meeting maybe you discuss it about media. What is the intention with data, information, and notes? So the data is obtained directly from organizational activity and business transaction. Information, the data that we have processed. So in the process, we have data. So data is about the information is okay. We call it book. So diagram we call it process diagram. So knowledge is data information are integrated and children, the temperature of system is 40 derajat Celsius. This is data. So the information. So children temperature body is 40 derajat Celsius. So this is the children. We process it if we have. So they have. So the noise. This is one decision. If I have given, so we take it or go to practice. So in modeling process, we must differentiate between business process and business transaction. So business process is activity performed by the system user to carry out functional function or respond to business event. Business transaction is event aligned with the business mission that generate data about the business. So this one, business process starts to respond to business. Example about the business event, logical, this is policy, procedure, and this is so for modeling the process, we can make it approach with the decomposition. What is decomposition? So we, if we take a look at the system, this is a product system. We can break down it with this many function to make it simple. With a simple one, we can make more. So decomposition, we break down it in the small part. So in the system approach, we have some system thinking, application, for formal system theory and concept to solve some problem, and then process modeling, technique for application, implementation, standard, and solution is breaking down a system into subsystem component processing process. So we break down smaller system, so we can have some super system as a parent function, and the function is breakdown into 3 functions in the system. From the system, we can break down again in the subsystem. So this is a function. We break down. This is the function. Function 1, 2, 3, function 2 breakdown again in 3 functions. So this is, we call it decomposition. So system decomposition. If we take a look at this picture, we have the system, the one system, and then we break down it in the function, in the first function and another function. In this function, we break down it in the activity of the function, and we break down again. So become a smaller. If we take a look at this, we can have an example. Have you been to the clinic? So the system is all maybe the system information about the clinic, about the service in the clinic. So the first one, you must come to the railway station and go to the news station. After from the news station, you can make yourself in the poly, in the general, in the poly umum itu di poly Indonesia. We have poly umum and for the dentist, and for the So we can breakdown it when we know about the function in this order system. So we can make a decomposition with some technique. We use this one in our just our action and our assignment. So this is the system, and then we break down it into two. So the system. This is parent system. This is system. And this is subsystem. And we have a subsystem. So different place when we have a different decomposition. So system we breakdown in the subsystem, breakdown in function, breakdown in process, operation, productivity, and tasks. So this is become the smaller, and if you know this one about task activity, you will learn in the other subject in course design system or design
System design. Process system
So the conversation is making smaller. So this is this parent have a system, and then that's one the super system and subsystem. So now we process data flow diagram and document flow diagram. For this week, we only one data flow diagram. So what is data flow diagram? This is a diagram that illustrates the relationship between process, database, and stakeholder. So we have three elements: stakeholder, process, and then database. So from the previous discussion with you, you have a database. So we call it ERD. So process, database, and process including the inflow and outflow of the data within the system. This is for data flow diagram. Document flow diagram is a diagram that depicts the flow of document file within a series of proposed, sometimes mapping them according to the local location of the system. We will discuss this in next weeks, but I send you the material and maybe some advice about the document flow diagram. This is the example of data flow diagram. This is mean a database. This data is from ERD and data relationship diagram. This is about the process. So we have some symbol like this for the process. This is for the actor or stakeholder. Okay. This is document flow diagram. They have a different one. This is actor. So we have some similar. This is actor. This is process. This is document. The differences between data flow diagram and document flow diagram, we call it flow chart. So in the data flow diagram, the process can be opened in parallel or simultaneously. But in the flow chart, the process is executed one by one. So they have a sequential order. The next one, the active is an flow of data within the system, but flow chart shows the control sequence of the process, which is different. Process in DFT can be executed in a long time scale, weeks, month, year, and as needed, but in the flow chart, the process are part of the single program. So this is the differences between the data flow diagram and document flow diagram. We call it document flow diagram of the flow chart. So must know about this process. So this is the process. This is the basic process. We have an activity performance statement in the system to carry out organizational function or respond to business event. This process involves incoming data flow to generate outgoing information. So we have choose this one. About the process, we have some symbols. The first one is terminology from A and Z. So this is about the process. But in SSRT shape, process symbol is like rectangular. This is like round rectangular. But for the macro audio shape with a process. So if you browse on the internet, maybe for TFT they have a different terminology. If we have this one, so for the process we have this one, and in some terminology we use rectangular, and the other terminology we use process name. Usually we for TFT use two of this terminology. So in internet, if you browse, maybe some other people do with this. If the process with the receiver and then the actor with the rectangular. If the process like this, we can define the actor will be on. For the game insertion, we like this. For the process, data flow like this, and then for the database or data store, in game session we like this. This is different. If we take this terminology, so for the customer must like this, data store like this. We can mix the terminology. So customer we make like this, but the database we do. So don't mix the terminology. We have some one terminology, so we follow this terminology, and that's standard. Okay, this is for the business process. The process data, we have some create, read, update, and delete. Create or add new data. So for database, we can create. Create is about input. And then or add, and then read. So read is about the output. We read from the database. So this is output. We read about information. Update. We update. We add or we replace the previous data. So okay, update and then delete. In some technology, we this is add, create, read, update, in some technology, we express as foresee, create, or do. The meaning is the same that we expect. So like this is database. We have create, new order we create. So the flow is go to the database. If we change order address, so check about the order, we read automatically we read and we update the data. And then what you read insert order, so we make some input to the database. But summarize unfilled order, we read the order, so this is the output of the. And then logical process, we have some calculation or computation. We can make a sample collision or computation, making decision, and then searching or tracing data, sorting the generating information, report transfer, filtering, this one input. And the process classify. The process is input this one. And then we can call logical, sequential, conditional, adaptive, grouping. And then for the if for is that this is some error for we develop the DFT. The first one is about the black hole. What is the black hole? So the process they only have input but no output. So this is error for process modeling. This is some mistake in the flow. If we have input, must we have output. If we have input but have no output, there is something wrong with the input. The data that we are input is essential of important for the. If we have data but no output, if we have input but no output, this is a mistake. The second mistake is we call a process that processes input but the input is insufficient or we know it remote from the context. And then target concept about data flow. This is process modeling error. This is the data flow. Data flow can be target concept. Only one flow connect one flow to another, or junction flow, composite flow, converting multiple data flow from several nodes into a single node, and then composite flow, diverging multiple data flow out from a single node. So this is converging. This is analytic, diverging. This is converging. This is a data flow. So to the process. Okay. The next one, the first one is about process modeling error. The next one is flow modeling error. If we have some double flow from the same source to the same direction, it is the error. So like this, if we have the same source and we have the same destination, this is about we must make it in one, only in one flow, but there are many information or data. Flow from stakeholder and stakeholder. If we have some relationship with stakeholder and stakeholder, we will manipulate. Like I with Rio, if we have some flow, data flow, they no need about information system. So in this group, they must be act with the process. The actor, they call it. Okay, sorry. stakeholder to data or vice versa. So we cannot have some connection between database with actor without a process. And then from data to data, from database to database. Click for the other 5 minutes. So if we have some actor to dive into the actor, we then like the data flow. The correct one is we must have about the process. The next one is actor to the database. We cannot on from database to the actor. So we must have some process. So from the actor to process, process from database, database to process, process to actor. Database to actor. The actor must be doing some process to click this one. So they will process in the system and they will maybe read about the database. So we cannot from person to person, we must have some process between actor and actor. And for database and actor, we must have some process between two actor and database. So process modeling, we have some technique with SRDT, with SSR, with SRSS. So SRDT and idea. SSR, this is developed by Kim and Session. RSS is developed by Tom, Delaco, and Snowden. This is most commonly used for game and session and Delaco. This one for SRDT, the activity is not like that, but for the SSR, the activity circle. Database is different. SRDT, SRSS, and SSR. IDEF, this is the abbreviation of integration definition. This is we have IDEF 4, A0, this is. So the input, output, the function, participant, call, control. This is for insertion. We have input, output. And then this is for demand. So the process is so for the modeling process, we must model in the overview diagram and then create use metric or create CRUD, CRUD, context diagram, decomposition diagram, data flow diagram. This is for the overview diagram with some symbols. This is for actor, this is information, data storage, and then manual operation, manual input, for interface, display, and record. This is the symbol like this. So this actor will bring some information. So the actor is for medical member and then marketing. They will some give input to the system information and get output from the system information. The next one is CRUD matrix. So a matrix of table that show the relationship between data and its business process related to the standard operation create and activity. So like this. The first one is about the entity. So this is entity in the entity relationship diagram, and this one is for the process. Process from decomposition tree diagram. We can identify what is the create or create in what part is about create, read, and delete. The example will be in the next meeting. This is process to location CRUD matrix. about the process. This is about the location. So we know about the location. We can create about the data. We can update the data and next one. And then this is entity to data location. This is entity and this is location. So we can make some matrix inside it. We can work in what's in where location we doing some create. And then the composition tree diagram, they illustrate the hierarchy of information system to get it down into more detailed business. So we break down the tree diagram like this one. This is the composition tree diagram. And then context diagram is the highest level data flow diagram that illustrates the information system of a single business process. This is a context diagram. Data flow diagram. This is describes structure sequence of data flow based on the logical system design. With some self-organization, actor, user, external entity, and a function in the business. This is data flow diagram. Okay, and then this is a detailed data flow diagram. We have a detail depend on the decomposition diagram. If we have some, this is level 0, level 1, 2, 3, level 0, this is level 1, this is level 2. So we have two detailed data flow diagram. So maybe we can have exercise. This is the first one is about the decomposition diagram. The next one is context diagram. This one is data flow diagram, and this is for the level 1. The level 1 is depend with level 1. Level 2 for this one. Okay, so the first one is decomposition diagram, context diagram. Can you check where the error for the context diagram? There is something error. Can be process error or flow error, data flow error. The first one, they have only no output, and then record
No input.
and then
Only process.
input. And then for the process, we have double two. The next one, there is no actor and actor. The next one, actor to
Database.
database, like this, or vice versa. And then
Database to database.
database to database. Please take a look at the context diagram. There is any error